welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is the Chevy Tahoe. So you get in your Tahoe, you go and start it up, and you see the dreaded check engine light. Well, we used our blue driver OBD sensor, hooked it up, and these were the codes we got. And the big one, P0496 evap system high purge flow. So we've had codes in the past for a P0449, which replacing the purge valve actually fixed. It all has to do with your emissions. So we know that we replaced that before, and it actually fixed the problem for that code. This is a P0456, and I'm thinking it's the purge valve as well here. So we're gonna go ahead and test it. So your purge valve is located right here, and what happens is your car creates vacuum that comes up to here, and it should stop at the purge valve. So a quick way to test it is if we disconnect this, you check your gas cap, because that could be the problem, but 9 times out of 10 it's not. So we'll press down on this. And we can pull this off. Oh. Just like that. And then we're gonna disconnect. You're gonna pull up on that tab in the back, and that should pop out. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. And if we get any vacuum, you can use your finger, you can use a vacuum gauge, but if you get suction here, that means that your purge valve is no longer good. So we'll fire it up. And now, take your finger, you can use paper, whatever, but you could feel this. Yep, it's sucking right on. You hear it. So that's a quick way to test, and now we know that that purge valve is not working. All right, so we have the electrical and the hose undone. This just sits in a bracket right here. So we can pry that up, get that off the bracket. It should lift right up and out, just like that. And now we can take this piece off of here, and you should be able to pull it right out. You can see that plastic piece right there. So that little tab there, you just got to bend it up and out a little bit, and then it should be able to pop out. So here's the new one. And you just want to make sure that they match up. And this one actually came with a bracket, so we could take the bracket off. But, yep, it's the same thing. So now we can reconnect this here, and you should hear a snap, just like that. It means it's back in there. And we'll set this back over in here. So we have the new one connected and mounted back on there. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and we shouldn't have any suction coming from there now. Yeah, no suction, nothing. So we know that that was the problem for the P0496 code. So now we should be able to put everything back together here. We'll hook our hose back up. There we go, that's snapped in. And our electrical. Yeah, just make sure they're secure on there. Now everything is all hooked back up. Go ahead and start the vehicle. Now we'll check for the check engine light again. Cleared the codes. So now there we go. All right, definitely hot out today. So that's a quick way to test that. If you're not getting vacuum from it, that means that that part's still good. Then you got to work your way through the other parts of the system. But always try and start at the cheapest parts possible when diagnosing. Like your gas cap's going to be number one. So hopefully you get lucky and that's what it is. If not, check up here for your purge valve and then go on from there, instead of just replacing, you know, expensive parts right off the bat. Could be something simple, just like this was. All it was the purge valve went bad. It happens. These things are, you know, mass manufactured. I just wanted to show you, though, that's very easy and quick way to test it and saves you a lot of time and money. So we're all set here. No more check engine light. Got our new part on. So make sure to check out all of our videos and everything else we do here on the farm. Hit that subscribe button, helps the channel out. Hit that like button, helps the channel out. And once again, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.